before. No pets allowed in this boarding house. And that's final. I won't have any animals around here.
These ain't animals. They're harmless little goldfish.
I don't care. I'm not running a pet shop.
Well, it looks like one with an old crow in the window.
Get rid of those troublesome creatures.
Don't worry, my little finny friends. I'll take you to the park. Goodbye, little pals. Nobody will bother you here.
Hold it there. What do you think you're doing?
Oh, nothing, officer. I was just putting these little fish into the lake.
Oh, yeah? That's a new one. I caught you red-handed trying to steal those fishes. And that's city property. Now give them to me. Now get out of the park before I call the paddy wagon.
Oh, well, my mother told me there'd be days like this. Hey, mister, come back. Hey, take it easy, little feller. Now, what am I gonna do with you? Hey, you! Come out of there! Cut that out! You can't have these fish!
Hey, what's going on in there? What's the idea of feeding your seal my fish?
I wasn't feed... Oh, he's not my seal.
Oh, yeah? Well, you owe me $10.
$10? I haven't got 10 cents.
Now beat it. Now I'll get you.
Boy, I'm glad to get rid of that little troublemaker. Oh, no. Okay, all right. I'll take you home with me, but only until I find out who you belong to. Oh, boy, what a character. Come on. Now, don't make any noise. I'll have to sneak you inside. Quiet. Oh, what a pretty baby. She'll never know the difference.
Who did that? What's going on here? Who's that?
Oh, it's a seal. Lucille. Yeah, Lucille. I'm babysitting her.
Oh, what a cute baby.
Well, so far, so good. You wait here. I'll go get some fish. Now keep quiet. I'll be right back.
The baby. It's a seal.
Yoo-hoo, Lucille. I got something for you.
Arf, arf.
Here's a nice big fish.
Now I gotcha. You. I know you're in there.
What you doing, Mrs. Meany?
I'm pounding some sense into that stupid little woodpecker.
Sounds like fun. Mind if I try it?
Be my guest.